Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your PlayStation 4 as the primary console so you can share PlayStation Plus to additional profiles on your PS4. So I'm just on the home screen here. I want to go up to the top and then scroll on over to the right until we get to settings and select this. Now under here, let's go to where it says account management. Now select that and go to where it says activate as your primary PS4. Then, when this opens up, go to activate on the top. Now, if you already have it activated, it will be grayed out. So it says my PS4 is activated as primary down here. So if I go on to a different PlayStation profile, my PlayStation Plus and my games will be shared to that other profile. So let's go to Power, then go to Switch User. So you can see I have PS Plus right here. Let's go to Timbo Slice, then type in my passcode, and then log in. And I will have all the games from my main profile over on this account. You just have to download them on your main profile, and then they will show up on your other accounts, and then you can start playing. So if I were to hop in Minecraft, I could play online now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.